Today, it's all about the Green Leaf Naturals cocoa butter. The thing we definitely have to talk about first is the smell. It smells like pure chocolate. It is so delicious. Like most Green Leaf Naturals products, this can be used on your hair, face, and body, and I do want to use it everywhere. It is so moisturizing, really good for extremely dry, rashy skin. Probably my favorite place to use it is on my lips as a balm. It's pure, raw, and unrefined. When you open it, the consistency is really hard. A couple of ways to soften it up. One is putting it in a bowl of warm water about 30 minutes before you plan on using it. The other is just scooping it out with a spoon and warming it in your fingers. I put a little on the ends of my hair to fight frizz and lock in the style, and then I get that nice, sweet, chocolatey smell. And this is a great product to use as a base for DIYs. Here's a fun fact. Ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations actually loved cocoa so much and valued it that they used the cocoa beans as currency. So this jar is very rich. I'm gonna go make a mug of hot cocoa and lotion myself up.